So, in my practice, I often talk about spiritual reparenting. What is spiritual reparenting? It is really it's an opportunity, a tool to reparent those parts of ourselves which were not parented properly. So when we think about parenting, we have come to understand that our parents are human beings just like us. They bring their wounds from their life with them, and unknowingly, they inflict those wounds on their children. That's why it's so important to heal, because whatever we don't heal is what we inflict on our children. And the cycle continues. So, where do we want to stop the buck? Where do we want to stop this process? Forgiveness is a big part of it, and that's a whole new, I can write a book on that, but it's enough to understand that our parents do what they know to do. Now, the question is, what are you going to do? You have available to you more knowledge, more options, more awareness. Are you going to use that information to heal yourself so we do not become part of that perpetual cycle of suffering? The answer is yes, of course we can, because we are living in different times. Our parents lived in different times. We are living in times where knowledge, wisdom, help options are available. Our parents didn't have that option. So in the process of healing, one of the ways is to reparent yourself. What does that mean? Is loving that little boy or little girl who did not get his or her needs met as a child. The nurturing was not there. The safety was not there. The love was not there. So we missed out on all of this. But we do have an opportunity. Once we understand this, it's going inside and loving your inner child. That's spiritual reparenting. That's when we talk about the one flow of love. I'm looking at the time because these videos are 3 minutes long. When we talk about the one flow of love from your heart, the love energy that can include all parts of us that have been abandoned or unloved. That's what it means to love oneself. So we're going to be talking about this more in detail in my upcoming course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. Mark your calendars, July 19th, July 26th, Tuesdays, 2.5 hours each, Eastern Standard Time from 12 to 2:30 p.m. I'm going to put the link here below. Click the link. There's a payment option. This is a heavily discounted program because I want to have more and more people heal. So click the link, register for the course. You're going to be glad you did. You're going to walk away transformed. I guarantee you that. So click the link, and I hope to see you at the course.